Hello friends, welcome to our channel Medical Bazaar. Today we will show you the demonstration of Knee CPM machine LCD model. Switch on the machine. This is the start and stop option. This is the timer. Timer up, timer down. You can select flexion delay and extension delay. I have set for 3 seconds and extension delay for 1 second. For 1 second. After setting all the parameters, press start. Now you can see the leg of the CPM is moving upward. This is a degree to measure. You can also set that how much degree movement you want by setting up the knobs. It is completely noiseless. Once it reaches the top, now it will stay for 2 seconds and then again it will start. This is the emergency switch which you get with the machine. You can stop, again you can start. You can buy this product online at medicalbazaar.com. For more, follow us on Instagram and YouTube at Medical Bazaar. Thank you.